Welcome to Z4, let's understand the dashboard. In your dashboard, Attendance Insight is the default page, showing overall employee attendance at a glance. In the attendance page, you can view employee status. Present shows employees marked present for the day. On time shows employees who logged in on time. Late login shows employees who logged in after their shift start time. Early logout shows employees who logged out before shift end time. Absent shows employees not present today. On leave shows employees on leave. Attendance Insight shows overall attendance summary. Scroll to view more attendance details. Leave Insight shows the summary of employee leaves. Early clockout show employees leaving early. Late login shows employees who logged in late. Scroll to see more details. Frequent absentees shows employees absent often. Regular employees shows consistent attendance. Non-approved absences shows unapproved leaves. Scroll to see more. Tap to see attendance for a single day. Tap Date Filter to select a specific date. Tap on Data Filter. Select Day to view attendance for a single day. Tap on Data Filter, the data shows from the current date to the previous period. Tap Reset to clear all selected filters. Tap Apply to apply filters. Day Insight appears showing attendance for the selected day. Tap to see attendance for the month. Tap Calendar Filter. Select month to view attendance for the entire month. Select End Date to show the previous 7 days data. Tap Apply to apply the filter. Week Insight appears showing attendance for the selected week. Tap to see attendance for the month. Tap Data Filter to select your criteria. Select month to view attendance for the month. Select End Date, shows data from the full month before the selected date. Tap Apply to apply filter. The month insight will appear. To see year insights, tap on Date filter. Select Range Year, shows data for the full year before the selected date. Select Date, shows data from the full year before the selected date. Tap on Apply. Year insights will appear. To apply filter, tap on filter icon. Select Department. Select Shift. Select Employment. Select Mode of work. Tap on Reset to reset filter. Tap to apply filter. Filter applied. To see payroll insights, tap on Payroll. Payroll insight will appear. Employee gross salary, net salary paid, deduction, reimbursement, advances and loans, employees paid, monthly payroll breakdown insight. Here, you can see payroll composition pie chart. Scroll down. You can see top 5 highest earners employees. Top 5 highest deduction employees. Employees on hold. Scroll down. Employee salary details. Employee's name. Gross salary. Deductions. Net salary. Search employees. To see asset management insights, tap on Assets Management. Insights will appear. Total assets. Assigned assets. In repair assets. In warranty assets. Total vendors. Damaged and lost assets. Assets lifecycle insights. Scroll down to see more details. Asset type composition, asset by department, asset by vendor. Scroll down. See assets requests and approval. To apply date filter, Tap on date filter. The filter works the same as attendance filter. Tap on apply to apply filter. Apply filter. Filter works the same as the attendance filter. To see Helpdesk Insights, tap on Helpdesk. Helpdesk Insight will appear. Here, you can see the total tickets, newly opened tickets, in progress tickets, closed tickets, average resolution, view tickets by status pie chart, top 5 oldest unresolved ticket, ticket volume by type. Scroll down. Resolution performance by assignee, assignee names, assigned, resolved, average resolution time in hour. To apply date filter, tap on date filter. It works like the attendance filter. To apply filter, tap on apply filter. The dashboard overview section is now complete. Thank you.